In this video, we'll explore the powerful API playground provided by ConnectSafely AI. From your ConnectSafely dashboard, navigate to the API key section. Here you'll find the API playground, which features several pre-built APIs ready to test. Let's start by testing the Get LinkedIn Profile API. Simply click Run API Request below, and the system will generate a response containing all the details of your connected LinkedIn accounts. To explore more advanced playground features, let's head over to the ConnectSafely documentation. In the docs, navigate to Get Account Status. You'll notice a Try Now button. Click it, and a live API playground will open. Here, you'll need to provide your API key. Go back to the ConnectSafely dashboard, open the API key section, copy your API key, and paste it into the playground. Click Send Request, and you'll see the response displaying your account status below. Now, let's test the Account Warm-Up Status API. Click Try Now to open the live playground again. For this API, you'll need both your API key and your account ID. To get your account ID, return to the Accounts section in ConnectSafely, copy the ID from your connected account, and paste it into the playground. Your API key should already be there from the previous request, so simply click Send Request. The response will appear below, showing your account's warm-up status. You can use the API playground in the same way to test other powerful features, such as sending LinkedIn messages, sending connection requests, and much more. ConnectSafely's API playground is designed to make integration seamless and intuitive. Whether you're a developer building custom automation workflows or a business user exploring API capabilities, the playground provides a risk-free environment to test, learn, and implement. With comprehensive documentation and live testing capabilities, you can confidently integrate ConnectSafely's powerful LinkedIn automation features into your applications and workflows.